In this video, we're going to look at area and perimeter of a rectangle. So first of all, we need to understand a little bit about what these words mean. So area is the size of a surface. Perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape. So we can see here that this rectangle is 7 centimetres long and 2 centimetres wide. To actually find the area of a rectangle, when it looks like this, we can count the squares. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this has got 14 centimetres squared altogether. Now, some of you may see there's a relationship between this 14 that we find by counting the squares and these two numbers here. So 7 times 2 does indeed give you 14. Now, as you go through your GCSEs, you will not be given the squares all the time to be able to count. So you need to remember the relationship between the numbers and the squares that are contained within the rectangle. Okay, so we've got the area of a rectangle is equal to the length times the width. So in the case above, we've got that being equal to 7 multiplied by 2. That is equal to 14, and centimetres is the unit. And because this is a two-dimensional shape, we're working at the area, we've got centimetres squared. Now this bit on its own is sometimes worth marks in the exam, so do not forget that bit. Moving on to the perimeter, what you're basically doing in any shape is adding up all the sides. Okay, so I'm going to put a little note next to here, so add up all sides. So the perimeter of the rectangle above, sum of all the sides, so we need to remember that we've got 7 centimetres across that side, and that would mean we've got 7 centimetres across the bottom. We've got 2 centimetres there, which means this side is also 2 centimetres, and we need to add all these up together. So in this case, we've got 7 add 2, add 7 add 2. So that takes us from this corner here all the way around each side of the shape until we get back to the beginning here. So when we add these up together, the 7 add the 2 gives you 9, add the 7 gives you 16, add the 2 gives you 18. Now this is just a measurement of length, so the units are just centimetres in that case. I'm going to do another question and then you can have a try. Okay, so we're going to first work out the area of this shape. So we've got the area is equal to, we can see that this is 3 centimetres across and 2 centimetres wide. We showed earlier on that we needed to do length times width to work out the area, so that would be the 2 and the 3 multiplied together, 2 times by 3. That gives you 6 as an answer. Centimetres is our unit and area is measured in square centimetres. So that's the area of that shape. Perimeter, we find by adding up all the sides, making sure we remember that that side is equal and that side is equal, which means when we come to add up all our sides, we've got 3, add 2, add 3, add 2, which gives us a distance of 10 centimetres altogether. If you have a go with this question, I'll pop the answers up in a second. So here are the answers. Hope this helps with your homework. Good luck.